Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, before we proceed to our new lesson, Juliet, would you mind to lead the prayer?
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. May you continue to guide us and bless us. Amen.
Amen. Okay. So, who's absent today?
None, sir.
Oh, it's very nice to hear that all is present. Anyway, last meeting we have discussed preventive measures and maintenance, techniques in tools and equipment, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the importance of knowing preventive maintenance technique again? Yes, Juliet.
Sir, establishing a preventive maintenance program helps to ensure that all equipment and tools function as intended.
Very good. I believe that your lesson yesterday, so you answered the question very brilliant. Okay, I have here a video just beginning to focus our new lesson. So as I play the video, please observe because afterwards I will be asking you a question. Okay?
Yes.
Observe what they're doing because I will asking you the question later. Okay, class. Based on the video you have shown and watched, what's the video all about? Anyone? Yes, Michelin?
Sir, they are storing tools and equipment.
Yes, it's all about student or storing tools and equipment. So, how they store tools and equipment, Unibet?
Sir, they store the tools and equipment with proper care in following the guidelines correctly.
Very good. So, based on that idea and on the video, what do you think our lesson for today?
Sir,
Yes, Michelin?
sir, our lesson for today is all about storing tools and equipment.
Very good. And well said. Our lesson for today is store tools and equipment. Kindly read, Julibet.
The proper care and storage of tools and equipment are not only the concern of the management but of the workers who use the equipment. Importance of the proper storage of tools and equipment. It is an important factor for safety and health as well as good business. Improves appearance of general shop and construction areas. Reduce overall tools cost through maintenance. This also ensures that tools are in good repair at hand. Teaches workers principles of tools accountability.
Yes, those are the importance of proper storage of tools and equipment. For number one, it's an important factor to safety health. Yes, because if tools and equipment is stored nicely and properly, of course, the business or for example the construction site is conducive to working. It will avoid any unattended accident. For number two, improve appearance of general shop and construction areas. Yes, if those equipment are well kept or stored, it is good ambience as well. Number three, reduces overall tool cost through maintenance. Yes, if they are clean every after use, you don't need to pay or anyone or any person who will clean and maintain those materials because as before and after it was cleaned, it's less cost. Number four, this also ensures that tools are in good repair at the end. Yes, every time that tools and equipment is need to be repaired, it should be repaired because if you will not repair at that time, it will worsen the damage. And number five, teaches workers principles accountability. Yes, because being the owner of a shop or a site, if you are very strict to your workers that they should maintain store tools properly, they will learn to be accountable of those tools. So, okay, number one, kindly Michelin, the pointers to follow in storing tools and equipment.
Have a designated place for each kind of tools.
Yes, if you say have a designated place for each kind of tools, those tools should be put organized. If it's, for example, a baking pan, it should be, there is a place for baking pans and so on. It should be organized. For number two, kindly read Julie Beth.
Label the storage cabinet or place correctly of immediate frame.
Yes, as you have was earlier, those cabinets they're putting on with labels if it is spoons, if it's measuring spoons, measuring cups, and so forth, so that it will just easy to find if you need those materials on tools. For number three, kindly read, Michelin.
Store them near to the point.
Yes, this is very important. This means that if those tools are should be on the kitchen, put on the kitchen near you, not put on the sala or on the bedroom because it takes time to get those things. Like for example, it is good that you put those big pans on your rooms. Should be properly put on the kitchen because they are properly put there. Number four, Gilbert.
Wash and dry properly before storing.
Yes, as we have said and discussed the past lesson, always wash and dry properly before storing. Okay? And it's a protocol to prevent or to ensure that all the tools and equipment are stay longer and free from damage. And for number five, can you read Michelin?
Store them properly when not in this sharp edge down.
Yes. Why they say that with sharp edge down? Yes. Should be the sharp edge pointing down so that to prevent from accidentally, if accidentally you're gonna hold it, you're gonna be wounded. So, pointing down, pababa, yung point niya, hindi nakataas. For number six, yes, Gulibet, kindly read.
Put frequently used items on conveniently
Accessible location. Yes, for example, the condiments, the spices you need, it is properly put on the bathroom. Should be near the kitchen, near the cooking counter. That's what we call item conveniently accessible in accessible location. So they are put properly. Okay. So for number seven, gather and secure electrical cords to prevent entanglement or snagging. Sometimes we are very fond of because of lack of built-in what we call plugs. We use many extension wires. So prevent this one because you know entanglement pwede kang maano doon, matumba or pwede ka ring mabaliktad in touching those excessive extension wires in the kitchen. For number eight, yes, mission and calorie.
Cutting board should be stored vertically to avoid moisture collection.
Well, if we say vertically, patayo. Yes, so that the water being should be directly go down and moisture easily. Oh, number nine, can you read? Unibet.
Metal equipment can be stacked on one another after drying, such as storage dishes and bowls.
Yes. This is a very nice idea that metal can be stuck on one another. Yes, because metals, metals, metals and non-metals is also a burden if you're looking for something. It's like looking for the metal ones and the plastic one, and it's gonna be wasting time. For number 10, Michelin and read.
Make sure the areas where you are storing the equipment are clean, dry, and not overflowing.
Yes. Yes, for example, if you're in the kitchen and there's so many lot of mess, clogs of materials, you cannot work well because you cannot move easily. So it should be the kitchen or the working area should be less of mess and everything should be organized so that it will give it entails conducive to working and product. You can be productive because if you're going inside with a lot of mess, your concentration will be focused on cleaning, not with the things you need to do. Okay, so avoid the messy things on the kitchen. Okay,
Yes.
if you understand our lesson, please try to answer the following direction. Right to the statement is correct and false if the statement is wrong. There's only 1 to 10 and I will give you 3 minutes to finish the task and your timer starts now. Just raise your hand if you're done, okay? Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check. For number 1, have a designated place for each kind of tools, true or false?
True.
Correct. For number 2, label storage cabinet for ease of locating.
True.
Very good. Put frequently used item far from the point of use.
False.
Very good. Store knives with sharp edge up.
False.
Yes. Make sure that the areas used for storing equipment are clean and dry.
True.
Number 6, at all times, metal equipment cannot be stacked on one another.
False.
Yes. Cutting board should be stored horizontally to avoid moisture connection.
False.
Yes. Dry then wash properly before storing.
False.
Do not overcrowded storage area.
True.
Secure electrical cords to prevent entanglement.
True.
Very good. So get it all correctly. Very good. And yes, for recap for our lesson, if you are sure you understand or it was clear, the discussion, let me ask you some question. Okay, for first question, what is the importance of storing tools and equipment properly, Julie?
Sir, to keep tools and equipment stable.
Yes, because proper storing can ensure the longer stay of those tools and equipment if we keep it properly. How about how storing tools and equipment benefit us, Micheline? How?
Sir, it helps to find you when you need it.
Yes, because if it's stored properly, you can be not wasting of time finding them and you can use it easily when you need to use them. And why do we need to put labels on the drawers of cabinets, Julibet? Why?
Sir, it saved them time in looking for the tools and equipment when you need them.
Yes, very good, well said. Okay, I hope you understand the lesson well. And then for our next activity, directions. Perform the storing of tools and equipment in designated places. Put labels on the storage bin. I have prepared here mix of tools and what you're going to do is to look for one another and separate each other according to kind. Do it with your partner. Okay, you just get one and then put it properly and according to same kind. Okay. Okay, very good. You done it correctly. Congratulations for a job well done. And I believe that you already understand our lesson for today. And for your assignment, make an advanced reading on and then identify hazards and risks. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And that's our for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.